Welcome to this TradingView tutorial. Today, we will learn how to access and utilize Level 2 data for your trading needs. Level 2, data provides insight into market depth, allowing you to see real-time bid and ask prices along with the volume of orders at different price levels. This can greatly enhance your trading strategy. First, log into your TradingView account. If you do not have an account, you can create one for free. Once logged in, go to the market overview or any specific stock chart you are interested in. To access Level 2 data, you will need to ensure you have a suitable data plan that includes Level 2 information. Click on the Market Data Eyes icon at the bottom left of the chart and check if your current plan includes Level 2 updates. After confirming your access, locate the Level 2 panel. You can do this by clicking on the More icon on your chart and selecting the Level 2 option from the drop-down menu. The Level 2 panel will appear, showing the bid and ask price levels along with the corresponding order sizes. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the layout, as this will help you make informed trading decisions. Now that you have the Level 2 panel open, you can use this data to analyze market activity and identify potential entry or exit points for your trades. Look for patterns and significant changes in order flow that may indicate a shift in market sentiment. Remember, Level 2 data is a powerful tool when used correctly, so practice regularly and integrate it into your trading strategy for improved results. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!